Imi is nose in Igbo. In Yoruba is Imu. Ire is tongue in Igbo. In Yoruba is Ale. What is Gini in Igbo? In Yoruba is Kini. Okute is stone in Igbo. In Yoruba is Okuta. Ewu in Igbo is goat. In Yoruba is Ewure. I can go on and on and on to tell you that what Yoruba is speaking today is corrupted Igbo. Yoruba man is the biggest challenge of an Igbo man, not even an Hausa man. They are the biggest rivalry the Igbo man has.
Why is this so?
So the prince committed that sacrilege. He was chased out from the Oba's palace. He never took over from that Oba. So he migrated and found himself to the present location known as Ile Ife today. Ulo Ife. Ulo Ife. Ile is Ulo. That is house where something took place and happened. Now, with the Dahomey women that he fought with, he married so many of the Dahomey women, which corrupted the language of Igbo. Today, in Yoruba language, Ono is mouth, Eno in Igbo is Ono. Eti is ear in Yoruba. In Igbo is Nte. Imi is nose in Igbo. In Yoruba is Imu. Ire is tongue in Igbo. In Yoruba is Ale. What is Gini in Igbo? In Yoruba is Kini. Okute is stone in Igbo. In Yoruba is Okuta. Ewu in Igbo is goat. In Yoruba is Ewure. I can go on and on and on to tell you that what Yoruba is speaking today is corrupted Igbo. Corrupted Igbo. I speak Yoruba fluently. I can tell you to clap your hands. Ekwatewo in Yoruba. Ekwatewo, ekwatewo. Kwa na aka. Clap your hands. Say me, will say, people will say omi, which is water. Will say me from my own tongue. Me. This one will say omi, which is water. So you can see that Igbo man spreads across the entire globe. So that was what happened. At the point of moving out, the so-called Oduduwa, he was given a mark. Igbo man, the week in Igbo cosmology is 8 days, not 7. We have Nkwanta, Nkuku, Ekenta, Ekuku, Orienta, Oriuku, Afonta, Afuku, making 8. He was given a mark. Nkwo Eke Orie Afo. Nkwo Eke Orie. That's the original Yoruba mark. To be able to identify him wherever you see him, never to have something to do with him. I want to believe that is the anger of the Yoruba man against Igbo today. We have gone deep down to investigate why the Yoruba man is too much angry about we the present ones here. I get what I'm saying. Now that was what happened. Now his cap, as I'm wearing my red cap, this original Igbo identified red cap. That kingship in the entire Nigeria, were the only Igbos are the only kings that have their caps standing erect. Don't think that Yoruba man wearing that cap is wearing. You think it's fashion? It's not fashion, because for the fact that that prince committed that crime, his cap was followed. It's not a fashion, but today people think it's fashion. Most of their obas, you see them, their cap is not standing. But the Igbos, you see the kings, you see their cap standing. That was what happened. And look at the mark. We have one single mark identifying us, or 2 at worst. That is Igbo mark. That is to know who we are. So whether the Yoruba man, the Oni of Ife have said it that they are Igbos. That's the truth. You can't take it away from him. So that's why we're being hated. We didn't ask them to commit the sacrilege they committed at the time they committed it. We didn't ask the Yorubas to commit it. They said the Oba, the Oduduwa fell from heaven to be able to cut you off from the real history. But we're living with you today.
So that you don't investigate his origin.
So they don't investigate his origin. How can somebody fall from heaven? Then ask them, what is the meaning of Oduduwa? What is the meaning in Yoruba? It has no meaning. But in Igbo, it has meaning Oduduwa. Because in a prince like you, come on, do Shinumpo. Come do the Punga, Odudu Mweze, Odudu Nefe, Lekwe Mweze, and Kwakolo Oduduare. Come on, do the Punga also. Odudu Mweze. Odudu Wa. Alone, oh, here Odudu Mweze. Okay, okay, fair. Hey, Chineke, hi, Odudu Wa. Hi. Then I call it Odudu Wa. It has no meaning. If we talk about Orameni, all those type of things they are talking about, Odudu Wa.